In this video, you will learn how to create a bubble chart in Adonis. You can use a bubble chart to visualize objects as bubbles in a two-dimensional grid. Click on Plus Chart. Select Bubble. Create your own configuration by choosing the type of objects to be displayed and the attributes for the x-axis and y-axis. Click on Update View. And there you have it. Additionally, click on Color to enable coloring and create your own heat map. Alternatively, use a template. The necessary options will be selected automatically. Don't forget to save your analysis. Have a look at the Adonis online help for more information.